Hey guys, so today we're gonna do an unboxing about the Diamond Pyraminx or the Pyraminx Diamond. So it's basically a Pyraminx mod, which is really cool. It says here, world's largest range of twisty puzzles, which is really cool. And the difficulty is 3 stars, which is pretty hard. And it says start here. Basically, here's scrambled, and then here's where you solve it. So let's start the unboxing. It says the same thing as here. Let's pull that out. Okay, so it comes like this foam. Okay. I really like this. It's really nice. Oh yeah, this was a gift. So yeah. Okay, so basically, let's just put the box out of the way. So basically, you twist the corners, and when they twist, they like switch the centers. They like take the centers with them. Okay, so when scrambled, it looks like this. Frankly, I know how to solve these, so first thing you want to do is make a white face, like any face, and then you'd like wanna build up all of the corners like this, and then you would like bring the white close to the corners like this. It's kind of like inserting a pear in 3x3, and then you kind of like get this, and then you like solve. You insert like this, and then when you have like last 3 corners, you'll get this this case. And then you just do this algorithm, and yeah, and then you get this algorithm. I didn't memorize it to my max, but I tried to build it to like the other algorithm. This is last face, by the way. Okay, insert pair. This moves so smooth and nice, by the way. Thank you for the person who got it for me. And now we just, I kind of forgot. Wait, I don't know this case, so I just replace it. Oh yeah, I solved it. And yeah, here has the logo on the center, and that's this like signature. I really like this cube, and it will definitely be one of the best cubes in my collection. So the cube is really good. Thank you for the person who bought it for me. I wanna turn the